Assalamu alaikum. Hi. Today I'm gonna explain you how to create a webmail and connect with the Gmail. So no more waiting. Let's get into the video. So first you have to go first you have to go in the hosting you have to go the hosting actually. So I have purchased my hosting on SiteGround. So I'm on that. First, what you have to go on the email and on the account. Now let me create email. So I have another email. So let me delete it, and I'm creating it. Let's see, info at the rate explainerium.pw. This is my domain actually. So you have to put your password here. So I'm gonna put this password that I want. So now let's click on the button create. Okay, so my webmail has been created. So now I will show you how to connect this webmail with your Gmail. So I'm going into another browser and let's see. This is my email. This is my Gmail. So I would like to connect the webmail with the Gmail. So after come on the Gmail, you have to click on the right top corner. You can see the settings. So you have to click on that and have a look, click on that see wall setting. So let me click here. Okay, what is the problem? Wait, let me reload, refresh again. Okay, it's loading. Wait, let me refresh again. Okay, now let me click here and now click on that button. Okay, now it's come. So after click on the after click on setting, you have to you will go here and you can see on the top header you can see the account and imports. So you have to click here and then you can see this send mail us. So I have add one email design this one. I have already add this one. So let me add another one which one. It's called info. Okay, so you have to click add another email address and now you can see here name. So you have to put your name or company name, or you can put whatever you want, and the email address. So here will be the webmail. So let me configure. Let me go to mail configure and manual settings, and now you can see this is my username. Here you will get all those information that need to connect for webmail to Gmail. So this is the Gmail. So let me put it here and press the next. Okay, now this is the SMTP server username and password. These are three information that we need, and another one is you can see here the port. Okay, so all those info you will get on the hosting on the webmail. Okay, so the password, this is the password, this is the username, and the port is SMTP port is 465. Okay, then now the server, SMTP server. So here you can see incoming server and outgoing server. So we have to put this server here, and this is our username, and we have the password, right? That we have used when we have created the webmail. So let me put put it here, and the password is, let me put it here, password okay. So I have put the password. Now now come to the port. Actually, what is the port here? You can see SMT port 465, so we have to select 465, and secure connection using SSL documented, so you can keep as it is. Now you have to click on add account, authentication failed. Okay, let me put this password again. Okay, no, there is an issue. Let me remove this and put it here again. Okay, now it's working. So you have to just remove this one. Okay, and now enter and verify the confirmation code. So this confirmation code we will get on the webmail. So you have to go here, click here, and this is the webmail. So we will get the information code, like the verification code, on that webmail. So let me log in on the webmail. Okay, still not coming. Okay, now it's okay. So this is the code. Actually, this is the code. So let me copy and paste it here, and now click on. So now let me refresh it. Okay, okay, you can see here like info at the rate explainerium.pw. So this webmail has been connected. So you can also do one thing, like we can test it, like this is working actually or not, right? So we can check it with send another email on that email. So let me go on email, my another email, and let me send on email. So let me put here test nothing. Let me send. Okay, now it should come here. Okay, this is still not coming, but it will come. It will take some time. It will definitely come. Okay, so this video will be in there, and see you the next video. Assalamu alaikum.